Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Somebody sent it's crazy. Before I go any further, somebody sent me a message yesterday. She was like, oh, so every time the channel starts you're just gonna be like, so hi guys, welcome back to the channel. She thought it was kind of funny. Anyways, guys, you have to understand that sometimes I do these things because I'm nervous, but whatever. So anyways, welcome back again for the fourth time. And I hope that you guys are okay. I hope that everybody's in the best of health. I'm fine, I'm alive, and that's the greatest gift. So, all right, so based on the caption below, you guys already know that what we're gonna be talking about today. I'm sharing my bucket list with you guys, slash things I want to achieve, slash places I want to go, etc., etc. Whatever you guys want to call it. Okay, and I would appreciate if you guys also share your dreams and aspirations in the comment section below also, because I'm curious. I would want to know what you guys want to do as well. So anyways guys, let's just jump into the video. All right, so I wrote some stuff down as well, because I don't want to miss anything out, and me a human being, I can't remember everything off of the top of my head. So anyways, the first thing on my list is I want to learn to take professional pictures. I like taking pictures, and yeah, like I want to learn to take professional pictures. I want to learn, like, I have times where I'll just walk around, take pictures of stuff and whatever, and I just think that is something that I like. I like taking pictures of myself and other stuff and whatever, blah 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 blah. But yeah, you want to learn to take professional pictures. Something else that I want to do is I want to learn to swim. Don't argue with me. Yeah, I want to learn to swim. It took me this long to decide that I want to learn how to swim. All right, so the next thing I want to do is I want to go to Aruba, Paris, Hawaii, Mexico. Yeah, I want to go to Las Vegas. Yeah, I know that a lot of you probably have been to these places as well. I've been to these places before, but I've never been there before. I'm from Jamaica. The only place I visited was the US, so I've never had a chance to go to these other places. And so yep, I want to visit these places eventually. It would be nice for you guys to tell me if you guys have been to these places before, like, and what do you think of it before I actually go there. Oh, and I want to go to Iceland. Like, I think that would be a really interesting trip. Yeah. The next thing I want to do is I want to learn how to bake. I want to learn to bake, make cakes, potato puddings, muffin, these little stuff, whatever. Oh, for some reason I thought that something was on my forehead. Yeah, but I want to learn how to bake. I also want to try new recipes and learn how to make new stuff. I want to cook different things. It's so funny, I cook almost every single day because I have to, but it's not something that I necessarily love. But I love cook food, and I want to learn how to make different stuff because the only thing I know how to make is Jamaican food. So yeah, might sound contradicting, but yeah, I don't like to cook, but I have to cook, so I do, and I wanna learn new recipes so I can try new stuff in the kitchen. All right, so the next thing on my list is I want to take a cruise around the Caribbean. Yeah, this is also another weird vibe for me because I don't really like water. I don't like ships. I don't like boats. But the more I think about it, I feel like a cruise would be an interesting adventure to go on. And the more I see other people doing it, you know, makes me feel like I just want to try it as well. So pretty much, yeah, I want to go on a cruise around the Caribbean and stuff like that. Next on my list is I want to visit the Eiffel Tower. I want to know who else wanted that. I want to know who else want to go to the Eiffel Tower. I want to visit the Eiffel Tower and see what it is like. There's not much to say about that, but just one got the Eiffel Tower. All right, so the next thing I want to do is I want to go on a road trip. I want to go on a road trip across America. Like, I feel like the place is big. It's what, 52, 53 states? Some say 52, some say 53. Feel like I'm getting sick from the other day. Some say 52, some say 53. I'm not really sure. I think it's 52 states. I want to go on a road trip across America to the different states and see what it is like. I think that would be fun. I don't know. Maybe I'm just different from everybody else, but I feel like that would be a great adventure. And moving on is I want to purchase a home. I'm quite sure everybody want to do that, so we don't even have to elaborate on that. Everybody want own them own home. Okay, I forgot that this channel might not only be watching by Jamaicans, or might not only gonna be seen by Jamaicans, so let me rephrase that. I want to purchase a home. Okay, I want to purchase a home. I'm sure everybody has that dream. I mean, I've met persons before that they're not interested in buying their own home because they feel like it comes with too much responsibilities, the maintenance and stuff like that. But I want to buy a home. I want to purchase a home. The next thing I want to do is number 10, 12, 13. I don't even know. I don't know which number I'm at because I'm all over the place, but I want to swim with dolphins. It's crazy. I don't know where they do that at, but I've been seeing people doing this stuff on Instagram. I don't remember what's the name of the country or wherever you have to go to do that, but yeah, I want to swim with dolphins. I think that would be an interesting experience. I'm scared, but I want to try it. I also realized that as I get older, I'm now opening up to trying more stuff, if that makes sense. But yeah, I want to go swimming with the dolphins, and I hope that I remember to get my pictures taken so I can save these moments for a lifetime. Yeah. I also want to get a professional body massage. I've never gotten a massage before. I don't think I've ever gotten a massage before. No, I don't think so. I don't remember, but I don't think I've ever done that before. I want to get a professional body massage from head to toe. Yeah, I want to de-stress. I want to know what it feels like. I want to see what everybody else have been bragging about. So I want to get a professional body massage. All right. I also wanna meet new people. Like, I'm not really a socialite. I'm not really a socialist, but I want to meet new people. And when I say new people, I mean like people of different race and culture. You know, see what their culture is like, see what they like, how they do different stuff like that. So, you know, but yeah. I want to get to a point in my life. The next thing is I want to get to a point in my life where I only drink water. That seems far-fetched to me, but I'm working on it nevertheless. Currently, I mostly drink water, but I still drink juice. But yeah, I want to get to a point where I only drink water. And hopefully, I can achieve that goal eventually. Oh yeah, I also want to stop eating meat. Sounds like a sad situation, but yeah, I want to stop eating meat. I want to eat more vegetables and fruits. That's a hard pill to swallow, but yeah, I want to stop eating meat. I don't know when, how, where, why. Well, I know why, because I want to be healthier. So yeah, but I want to stop eating meat. I also I want to milk a cow. Yeah, I want to milk a cow. I will not milk a cow and drink the milk though. I think that's gross. Even though the milk that we drink is from the cow, they said, but I will buy the milk in the bottle and drink it, but I'm not going to milk a cow and drink that milk. You? But yeah, I want to milk a cow. I think I want to go on a farm and milk a cow and ride a horse, and yeah, I want to milk a cow. I also, okay, I want to, I want to graduate college. For those who know me, you would have already known that I'm a college dropout. I did 2 years in college and then I dropped out to go work. It was my choice. Even though I kind of regret it, because I feel like, well, obviously I would have been done by now, but I was just going through some phases at the time. But yeah, I want to go back. I want to finish college, and the last thing I want to do is well, it's not the last thing, but it's the last thing on my list. I want to do a professional photo shoot in the woods. Yeah, I want to do a professional photo shoot of myself in the woods. I feel like that would be lit. Like, yeah, I'm kind of weird. I like weird things, so it might sound crazy or funny to you guys, but yeah, I want to do a professional shoot in the woods in the snow time. I think that would be cute. So guys, I've come to the end of my list. There's so many other things that I could have added to the list or share with you guys, but I didn't want to make the video too boring either. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. That's just some of the stuff that I want to do before I get to a certain age, of course. And again, comment down below and tell me what are the stuff that you guys want to do, what do you want to achieve and stuff like that. So until tomorrow, yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow again. I'm not going to tell you what's going to be in the video, but it's going to be a challenge. So I'm giving you guys a clue, and it's going to be fun, and my son will be in that video. So that's the only thing I'm going to tell you guys. So tomorrow you'll definitely know what's up. Peace out.